Now in this video, we will make a smart AI chatbot using Python, and by the end, you can modify it by yourself. So here we are making mood-based AI chatbot, which will be using decision-making if-else statement. So we have already created a folder on our desktop, and in this folder, we are going to create a file. So here I am creating my file, and my name is mood-based ai.py. It's a Python file, so extension is .py. Now here I'm going to take a variable. Name of this variable is mood, and in this variable we are going to take input from user. So for that we are going to use statement. We are going to use input, and within simple bracket we are going to give our statement. How are you feeling today? So this is the message which user is going to get when he runs the program. Now, if user enters, so for that, if mood dot lower. Now, if user enters happy, so what it is going to do? It is going to print. We can give here any statement. I'm saying keep smiling. If user enters happy, then he is going to get response as keep smiling. And if mood is sad, then print. Here we can put any message. Things will get better. And in the end, else. If user enters anything else than anything other than happy and sad, then it is going to print thanks for sharing your feelings with us. So this is our decision-based AI. How it works, user has taken a variable whose name is mood, and in this variable we are going to take input from user. So it is going to ask us, how are you feeling today? If user enters happy, here we have taken lower. We are using function lower. What it does, it converts input to lowercase because user might type all letters in capital case or small case, mixed case or capitalized case. Whatever he enters, it will all get converted to small case, and it prevents error in comparison. So if user enters capital case happy, it will be able to recognize it as small case happy, and it is going to give responses keep smiling. If user enters sad, then it is going to print things will get better. And in the end, if user enters anything other than happy and sad, then it is going to give responses thanks for sharing your feelings with us. Save the program and run it. So it is asking us, how are you feeling today? and I'm giving here happy, all in capital case. So it is giving me answer keep smiling. Here we can see that here we have put everything in small case. Here our happy is in small case, and here in response we have given happy in capital case. So it has given us keep smiling. Again we'll run. How are you feeling today? I'm saying sad, all in capital case. Now it is saying things will get better. Third time I'm running it, and I'm saying emotional. So it is not able to recognize it, and it is giving us else part of statement, that is thanks for sharing your feelings with us. Now, why this program is more AI than previous one? Because previous program just repeated what your name which you gave as input. But in this program, it is taking input from user, and based on the input provided by user, it is making decisions and it is giving us a response. So our bot is ready to make decisions based on the input we have provided. And in the next video, we'll make it more smarter by detecting keywords inside the full sentence.